morning all of you. I am your teacher Lakshmi. So children, do you all remember I was taking the chapter 9 scientific instruments for you all. So last class we finished till periscope. So today we will begin from projector. So shall we start? First one, projector. Projector is an optical device that projects an image to a screen. It is used as an alternative to a monitor or television for showing videos or images to a large group of people. The second scientific instrument which we are going to study today is radar. The term radar was coined in the year 1940 by US Navy as an acronym for radio detection and ranging. Radar uses radio waves to determine the angle, range and velocity of objects. Radar is used to detect spacecrafts, aircrafts, ships, guided missiles, weather formation. Third one, seismograph or seismometer. Seismograph or seismometer is an instrument used to detect and record earthquakes. They are installed in the ground throughout the world and are operated as a part of seismographic network.
So actually, what is an earthquake? Let's study about earthquakes. An earthquake takes place when two blocks of the earth suddenly slip past one another. The surface where they slip is called a fault plane. The location below the earth's surface where the earthquake starts is called the hypocenter, and the location directly above it on the surface of the earth is called the epicenter. Sometimes an earthquake has four shocks. These are smaller earthquakes that happen in the same place before a larger earthquake takes place. The largest earthquake is called the main shock. Main shocks are always followed by aftershocks that occur in the same place and can continue for weeks, months, or even years after the main shock. The seismograph has a base that sits firmly in the ground and a heavy weight that hangs free. When an earthquake causes the ground to shake, the base of the seismograph shakes too, but the hanging weight does not shake. The spring that is hanging absorbs all the moment. The difference in position between the shaking part of the seismograph and the motionless part is what is recorded.
The last scientific instrument we are going to study today is about black box. Have you heard the term black box ever before? The data recorded or the data stored in a black box helps the experts to identify the cause of a flight accident. The color of black box is not black, but it is orange.
How does a black box work? A black box consists of two separate pieces of equipment that helps us to know what happened in the final moments of air crash. First is flight data recorder. This records information like altitude and direction of the plane, how much fuel was on board, and the cabin temperature and the pressure inside. It also stores about 24 hours of data. And the second one is the cockpit voice recorder. It records discussions between pilots in cockpit, automatic computer announcements, radio traffic, discussions with the crew, and announcements to the passengers. The sounds of switches and engines are also recorded.
So today we have learned about four scientific instruments. First one, projector, then radar, next seismometer, last one about black box. So thus we have come to the end of this chapter, scientific instruments. Next class we will continue with another chapter in GK. So take care, goodbye.